does a teenager's brain transform from a super malleable sponge when you're a child into a hyper-specialized and efficient machine in adulthood? The answer lies within how the brain rewires itself during adolescence. Through myelination and synaptic pruning, essential connections are strengthened while excess synapses are removed, as your brain actively rewires itself, deciding what to keep, strengthen, and erase. The key to all these processes lies in the central nervous system.
Neurons are cells that send nerve impulses through long extensions called axons. When the axon is stimulated, sodium ion channels open and cations flow in, depolarizing the membrane and triggering a signal that travels down the neuron. These signals then cross gaps called synapses between neurons throughout the brain. Our brain contains oligodendrocytes that produce myelin sheaths, which are insulating layers that stop ions from escaping the axon. Signals will then skip node to node along the axon through saltatory conduction, which speeds up signal transmission. As a child, the brain prioritizes plasticity, allowing it to adapt quickly to new experiences. This is achieved by overproducing unmyelinated synapses, making a child's brain rich in gray matter to process information, but lacking the white matter, which is mostly myelinated neurons they need to connect distant brain regions. So it's like having lots of local roads for exploring ideas, but very few highways connecting different brain regions together. So the regions for emotion, memory, and decision-making can't yet work together efficiently. But as our brain shifts from prioritizing flexibility to efficiency, it changes through two major processes. First, myelination is used to add more insulating myelin sheaths to the axon, increasing the amount of white matter in the brain, making neural transmissions go both faster and farther. This enables the simultaneous information processing needed in higher cognitive functions, helping us make more stable, thought-out decisions by using our brain as a whole. Next, the brain refines its circuitry through synaptic pruning to optimize energy and efficiency. Synapses that are used frequently are strengthened, while unused ones are removed, like closing tabs on your computer to make it run faster. But what actually removes them? Microglia are the special cleanup crew that engulf and remove weak synapses, ensuring signals travel along the most relevant and efficient routes. So what does this all mean for a teenager? Myelination provides the integration between different brain regions needed in complex tasks, with the prefrontal cortex myelinating last, making personality expression, social behavior, and problem-solving skills primarily developed in adolescence, while pruning personalizes your brain circuiting based on experience to develop your own specialized skills, like athletic or musical ability, making no two brains wired the same.
Now that you know your brain remodels itself through myelination and synaptic pruning, think about what you practice and pay attention to, because what gets strengthened and what disappears depends on you.